A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to take a trade in front of you, and today I will show you that I'm going to place a buy order on GBP NZD. As you can see, I'm on the 4-hour chart, and right now, as I can see in the 4-hour chart, there is a one particularly support which was acting as a resistance over this place. See, and that resistance has been broken out by this bearish candle, and previously exact this resistance acting, this particular resistance acting as a support. See, and now the price is going to approach this particularly level, so this will be my support number one. So here I am going to place a buy order. So what I did here, I just place a buy limit. Just look at that. I just placed a buy limit of 0.05 on GBP NZD. See, the price is 0.2803. so here if the price will approach to this place, or my trade will be activated automatically. So till the time, let me search another pairs. So what I will do, I will search in front of you. Let me remove this one. Not good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See, this place was very good to place a buy order, but unfortunately I cannot place buy order over here. Let me explain you why. So as I can see, this place acting as a resistance, which one is broken out by this bearish candle, and the exact this place acting as a support, and after that it create a fake breakout. So this is a fake breakout, and this fake breakout created a strong support over here, and that support has been broken out by this bearish candle. Then after that it again break out by this bullish candle and act as the same support. It took a place at the same support over here. So this one is support 1, and the price acted as a support 2, and this one is approaching support 3. So this is the reason I'm not going to place buy order over here. And let me find out the another pair. Okay, as you can see, this particularly place acting as a support, and that particular support has been break out by this bearish candle. Look at that, this bearish candle. And previously I just look back, I can see exact that support previously acting as a strong resistance, not one time, one twice. And let me find out how many times it reacted as a resistance. So before that, let me go back. See, as I told you, this place acting as a very strong resistance. So this is the reason what I will do, I will place another sell limit on ORT CHF on 1-hour chart. Let me find out. What I will do, I will directly place a sell limit over here, and what will be my stop loss. So if the price broke out this particularly line as a, and if price will make this type of bullish candle over here, this place, then I will definitely close my trade in loss. So this is a Monday morning, this is the reason I'm not getting trade right now. So I just placed one buy limit, one sell limit. So till the time I cannot find anything, let me pause this video. Once I will get anything, I will get back to you. Welcome back. I just got a very good trade over here. So what I will do, I will just place a buy order at this place, and let me explain you why I put the buy order over here. First of all, I will go to the trading view chart. As you can see, price is randomly going in downtrend, and what I have did here, where is the pen, I just marked this place as a support, okay, and I just look back. So let's go back and find that is exact this place acting as a support or not. See, the place which I have marked over here, the place exact same this place, price acting as a support, and this is a not normal support, is a very key and strong support zone. So this is the reason I place a buy over order here. And what I will do, if the price is going to break out this particularly zone and make this type of bearish candle over here, then I will definitely close my trade in loss. So as a scalper, I always follow my discipline, because being as a scalper, if you do not follow your discipline, you will definitely whatever like profit you will get within, if you do one loss, that will take entire profit. So this is the reason discipline is very important to in a scalping. So what I have did here, I have just placed order, and what will be my take profit. So my take profit will be at this place, because as you can see, this particularly support has been broken out by this candle, this place, and price is open below this support line. So this means price has broken out. So this place, and price is going in downtrend. So this is the reason I have to close my trade at this particularly place. And how much profit I will get from here, let me calculate. So okay, this is almost 74 pip, not 70, 60 to 60 pip. So, and what will my loss, let's see. So here is my loss zone. I will make it below, from below it. So let's count it, 25 pip, which is very reasonable. So this will be my profit zone, and this will be my loss zone. And I have placed, see, $48 pips, which is good. See, as you can see, the price is going in profit right now. So what I will do, I will pause this video and I will wait until this price not reach to the take profit zone. Once this price is reached to the take profit zone, I will show you and I will let you know. Before that, I am going to close pause this video. Till the time, I'm pausing this video, and I will get back to you soon. Welcome back to again. So as you can see, ORT CHF is now activated. Look at that, ORT CHF is now activated, and the Euro ORT is now struggling right now, but still it's not even crossed this line. So what I will do, I will wait till it not cross beyond this line. So till the time I will wait and I will let you know what happened to these two trades. So I'm gonna pause this video till now, right now, and I will get back to you soon. Welcome back. I do have another trade. So what I will do, I will simply put a sell order on odd USD. You know why I put the sell order over here in 1 hour chart? Let me explain you in the brief. So before I start, just see this place. This is strong resistance, and after that this resistance has been broke out with this particularly bearish candle, and it took just next to that place as a support, and that support has been breaking out by this bearish candle. So this bearish candle should with the just next to that support, which is the next resistance. As we can see, this is the next resistance just next to this support. So price is now going to approach for second attempt, because this, did you see, let me zoom out, did you see this particularly candle? This particularly candle represent as a resistance 1, and now the price is acting at 2 resistance 2. So here I placed a sell order and both Euro CHF and Euro odd. Now what I will do, I will simply drag down my take profit, which will be at this place. And you're gonna ask me, why did not I place my stop loss? So let me tell you, if price really want to break out, then if the price will break out this particularly line which is acting as a resistance over here, so if the price is break out this place, then I will definitely close my trade in loss. So till the time, what I will do, I will simply wait and see what's gonna happen next. And as you can see, why I have placed take profit over here. Let me tell you why I place a take profit over here. In every video I used to tell it to you guys that whenever you are going to scalp the market, you have to take the first opportunity from the market. See, price has created a resistance once and price is now approaching at resistance 2. So whenever you are going to close your trade, just close your trade next to next support or resistance. So as I can see, this place is my nearest and new support. So this is the reason I will close my trade here. So till the time the 3 trades are running, so what I will do, I will simply pause the video and I'll get back to you. I'll let you know what will happen to these 3 trades. I just have closed my all trade in loss because the price was going against me, and it was just as per my rule. I always follow my rule which I have made. As I can see, the price was totally broke out this particularly area, so that is the reason I have closed this trade. I'm very strict to my discipline. So now see the price, first before I tell you, odd USD is now reversing, but it was going against me, and I have placed my stop loss, so no, I have marked the place. Sorry, my English is not good, so that is the reason this is happening. So I marked the place. If the price is broke out this particularly area, I will close my trade, as I said you beginning. So the price is broke out this particular resistance and I have closed this trade in loss. So the same thing happened with the GBP. So the same thing I have did with that. So next tomorrow I will show you, and I will try to recover my losses. So till till now I have to say goodbye, and I will get back to you tomorrow with new video. Bye bye.